Good morning, beautiful people. I just decided to do a nice little clean with me this morning because I have literally been in and out of the house non-stop. I kid you not. I'm literally in the house maybe just to eat and sleep at this point because I've been leaving and going to Boston. I've been going to a friend's house. I've been doing client work. I've just been Y'all, spring has been busy. April was extremely busy. Um, it feels good to just be home and clean. And so as you can tell by my little workspace, it needed some serious TLC. I am not ashamed. I am human. I am doing my best with what I have. As you guys know, me and Emmanuel moved into this house a few months ago, and so I still haven't quite figured out what kind of furniture I want for my office. The last time we checked in, you guys know that I was working out of my beauty room, and then I just decided to move my space because I wanted to have more windows and just, just a change of scenery because the beauty room is very small. And that is actually supposed to be our walk-in closet once we buy the closet system, once we decide on a closet system at least. And as you guys also know, the attic is actually my workspace, but because of the winter and how our heating is set up, it would make no sense for me to work out of the attic, only because one, it would be so echoey when I record my videos, and two, we would have to pay more money for heat, especially when heating this huge house. And so I decided that, the second floor is more than enough space for me to work from. We have the guest room, the baby's room, and the beauty room, as well as our master bedroom. So I decided to take over the baby's room, but now since I've been working out of this space, I'm actually thinking of shifting some of these rooms around. Not quite sure if I landed on anything specific yet, but I will let you guys know as, the days go on and all that good stuff. One thing about cleaning my space, I always like to start with emptying out the floors first, and so that was one of the major things I had to do. That stuff in the corner, it's just gonna be in the corner, y'all. I don't have any storage. I don't have anywhere to put it, so the books, the bags, the things in the book boxes, and the bags are gonna just stay in that corner for now until I figure out a system that would work for me and the office space that I decide to work in. With the weather getting warmer though, I am a bit tempted to go work upstairs in the attic. But again, the echo is the only thing I am more concerned about at this point. And so, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Should I just use this space as my office and just, rain check the attic? Or should I just literally just say, you know what? Let me go up there, buy a rug, and do what I gotta do. I honestly really want to put up one of the big mirrors that we kept from the house. But I also have to figure out what room I would want to plant in, because when I build that mirror frame, it's going to be extremely heavy and I can't just be moving it around. As I was saying earlier, being in and out of the house is extremely difficult to keep a neat place, especially for me, because there are days where I need to pack up my lighting system. There's times where I have to pack up all my external hard drives because I have to work out of Boston, or I have to spend a few nights in Boston. I really need to try to figure out a system that works for both travel as well as in-home work. I haven't quite mastered it yet, but honestly, I'm truly grateful for what I have and the ability that I have to use it, because I remember there were days where I didn't have any of this stuff and I was doing what I had to do. And so even though I don't have storage systems, even though I don't have the desk or the chair or whatever, when it comes to wants and desires, I have what I need, and I'm just so grateful that God has blessed me with that. I know there's somebody that's praying for a tabletop, there's somebody praying for monitors, and there's somebody praying and believing for even a laptop or even some pens. And so I don't ever want you guys to feel like if you don't have something that you should look at your situation any less than. Think about it like this: where you are right now is where somebody's praying to be, and so Always have a heart of gratitude, even though, you know, the Lord knows every single thing that you desire, every single thing that you want, and every single thing that you need. Don't let what you want and what you desire and what you need keep you back from doing what you need to do. All right, my loves, I guess I rambled enough for this quick little clean with me. I hope you enjoyed it. It's real simple. Clean up the floor, dust the dust, arrange what needs to be arranged, put away what needs to be put away, drink your water, and all that good stuff. Anyways, I love you guys. I can't wait until I see you guys for my next girl talk. I love you, I love you, I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, how do you guys clean? Like, do you like to start from the bottom and then work your way up? Tell me. I would love to know. Oh, also, leave any cleaning tips below. Love y'all. Peace.